Hi everyone. Today I'll be reviewing another romance fiction titled I Don't Need Reasons, I Need You by Avinash Meshram. Actually, I've already reviewed this author before, wherein the book I reviewed was Her Perfect Man. If you haven't watched that video yet, please do. I'll attach the link somewhere up here. Okay, and this happens to be his debut novel, let me tell you. Now coming back to this story. So the story is about two people named Shalini and Ekansh. Now Shalini hails from a very, rich elite background. She's career oriented, she has ambitions, she has goals, and therefore she lands herself in IIT Bombay due to her sincerity and hard work. Now she is a girl who believes in love. She is searching for the perfect one for her. On the contrary, Ekansh is this total flirt. He does not believe in love. He does not want to fall in love either. He is career driven. He also lands himself in Bombay, IIT Bombay, and he just wants to make a big out of his career and wants to support his family. Now both these people meet in IIT Bombay. They come closer to each other, and in the course of time they make love and start to enjoy or like each other's company, despite the fact that Shalini has a boyfriend back in IIT Delhi named Sumit. Now as the story progresses, readers see a sudden transformation or change in Ekansh's, outlook or perspective. The boy who was adamant previously in his choice of not falling for somebody falls for Shalini. Now after assimilating and acquiring a lot of grit and courage, Ekansh finally confesses his love to Shalini by handing over a diary wherein he has stated or written 101 reasons for loving her. After knowing Ekansh's feelings for her, she does respect his feelings but does not reciprocate because she loved her boyfriend and wanted to see her life ahead with him. Now as the story progresses, something happens. Something which changes the fate of both of these people. There is a big revelation in the last two chapters of this book, which will require you guys to pick this book firsthand. Now talking about the title of this book, I think the title seems to be quite appropriate because in the end readers learn that one does not need reasons, one does not need plethora of reasons to love somebody, but the love itself is enough. And the title of the book is one of the best things about this book. Now let us see what is my opinion after I read this book. So according to me, the message this book conveyed was beautiful. However, unlike the second book of this author, this book was quite predictable for me. I mean, I don't know, but somehow I could understand what this story had to offer in the further plots. Overall, I think this book was, easy breezy read for me and will hardly require you a day or two to finish this even if you are a slow reader. One thing I would want to mention, one thing that really pissed me, or you can say annoyed me to no end, was the spelling errors in between the lines. Oh my god, there were so many spelling mistakes that they somehow lowered the momentum, reading speed for me for sure. Talking about the language of this book, I think the language was extremely easy, fast-paced, lucid, no fancy words, no fancy phrases, no fancy lines. You will require no extra efforts to, go through the lines. Extremely easy. Initial 80 to 90 pages were extremely draggy, to be honest. At least this is what I felt when I read through the lines. But I started gaining momentum after I was 100 or 110 pages done. So yeah, I think if you want to read something light, fun, easy, then you should definitely pick this book without a second thought, and I would rate this book 3.8 out of 5. So that's it guys. If you liked the video, then please consider liking it, sharing, subscribing to my channel, commenting down below if you have any suggestions. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I'll provide the link in the description box below, and yeah, until then, be safe, do well, and thanks for watching.